Hello everyone! Julie is here. Today you will learn how to draw Dalmatian dog from Adopt Me. Today we are drawing with our puppy. Her name is Cherry. So, what you will need for drawing Dalmatian dog, guys? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. I wish you a happy drawing, guys. So let's start and have some fun! Okay, guys, let's start drawing our Dalmatian dog. From the center of the paper, we will just draw a circle. So, we will start drawing a circle like this, and then we are going to draw its ear. So we're going down and drawing this line, and then go a little bit further and then connect. And now we will be drawing our line down, and here we will make a little wave, and then all we have to do is just connect it. If it's not even, it doesn't matter, it even will make it look cute. And it's here one more. So let's draw two circles. It would be its eyes. So I'm drawing two circles here, not too far away from each other. And now its nose, it's a little bit squished oval, and we will draw spotlight here, circle inside one, and you can draw even a small one here. We will keep it white and then color all around with black. Let's draw its tongue, so like this. And now we will be drawing its body. It's a little bit like a squished oval, so we will draw from here, not too big, like this, and here we will go down and then squish it a little bit and connect like this. And let's draw its paws. So we're just drawing semicircles. I will just draw one semicircle and straight line to connect it. One semicircle and connect it. Then one goes here and one more here, and a little tail line and backward like this. So let's draw some spots, big spot and small one, and you can draw your own spots, 1, 2 and 3, and maybe one here and small here. Or you can create your own patterns and draw as many circles as you wish, guys. I will be drawing maybe one more. And one more here. I will draw like this. And now all we have to do is just to color it. So I will start coloring with its tongue. I will make it just pink. And actually we need only black color, so you can use pen or marker or maybe black pencil, whatever you have, guys. And I will leave the spotlights just white And also we have white spot here on its nose, and can color this also black. And look how cute is our dog. It's adorable. So we're just coloring with black, or maybe you will decide to use dark gray, and you can draw some spots even on its paws and tail. Look how cute is our Dalmatian dog. And let's draw a heart shape, and I will write here Adopt Me. And I will also draw a little heart. Look guys, how cute is our Dalmatian dog. Well done guys! Thank you for watching this video guys. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me in Cherry. And if you enjoy my lessons, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.